What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Tinkering Joe. I'm Joe. Today we're replacing the shocks on the XJ, and we're going to use some rough country shocks. Probably get a bunch of comments about them, but I like the price. I'm not building a extreme rock crawler. I may do a little mild off-road stuff, but not a whole lot. So I did like the price of them. I think it's the Rough Country N3 shocks is what it is, and we're going to put them on my 01 Cherokee today. So let me get the Jeep jacked up and the wheel off, and I'll show you what's wrong with the other shock. Alright, so I got it jacked up. I got the tire off, so let me bring you over here so we can get this thing off of here. Let me show you about what the problem is. If you can see this bolt right down in there, the top part of that is stripped off. It won't tighten down, so that's why we're replacing it. And the shock actually comes out, pops out of there when you're driving down the road. So first thing we got to do, if I can get you set up right here without falling down, we got to remove the shock. Like I said, this top bolt up here is already stripped, so I'm gonna go ahead and undo that with my fingers. The bottom two bolts are 13 millimeter. These two right here, let me show you. These two bolts right there, I already done the driver's side, so we're just going to do the passenger right now. Had those pretty much loose already. All right, so with those out, and the top out, we should be able to pull the shock out of here rather easily. And also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment about how the channel's doing, and click that notification bell. Just pull down on this. And there it comes out of there. The shock is still good. Like I said, I don't know how well you can see it, but you can see right through here where it's stripped, so it's no good. All right, put this back together somewhat here. Set it to the side over this here. Grab our new shock. And again, like I said, I'm using the Rough Country N3s. Man, just basically because the price is good. And again, I'm not building, you know, no rock crawler going to Moab or nothing like that. It is a kind of a daily driver, so I didn't need nothing too extreme. Hopefully they work. We'll find out. If not, we won't use them again. So leave a comment about them if you had good luck or bad luck with them. See if I can get this compressed back down. All right, so we stick the bottom in first. Let the top go up. All right. Grab our two bolts that go in the bottom. That's one. Two. Get the nuts back on. Grab our wrench. This one's giving us a little trouble. Not sure why. Snug those down. Now I'm gonna move you up top so we can't see this a little bit better up here. I'm not sure how well you're gonna be able to see it, but we'll try. Take our rubber bushing. Slide it on there. Metal cap. Which really isn't lining up all that great. Not sure why. Let me stick it on upside down for a minute. Get our nut. We can find it. Throw it on there upside down for just a second. Get our 14mm socket. And if I didn't tell you, you're gonna need a 13mm socket, a 13mm wrench, and a 14mm wrench for the driver's side. I think that's it. So I'm gonna snug this up a little bit. Loosen it up. I'm gonna flip this back right side over so we can't get it to bite. All right. All right, so that's all snug down now. Take a look at it. All right, so this is going to be the end of this video. It's a short video, kind of quick on how to put front shocks on a XJ. Like I said, you got 2 bolts at the bottom, 1 bolt at the top. Again, please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment, click the notification bell. Let me know what you think about the channel, how it's doing. Let me know if you had your experiences with the Rough Country shocks, the N3 series. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.